I built this AI travel planner for the web, but never shipped it. And people are asking for a mobile version. And since 70% of phones worldwide run Android, I'm rebuilding it with Gemini and Android Studio. It is Google's AI that's specifically designed for Android ecosystem. What makes Gemini different is it understands my project context and basically keeps me in flow state. I'm going to test if I can build this thing without leaving the IDE once. Let's see if it works. I described what I want to build in one prompt using the new project assistant, and then I attached a screenshot of my UI example. Gemini takes it from there. Okay, so it's already planning the entire app architecture. It scaffolds the whole thing, file structure, navigation, the home screen, all of it. I haven't written a single line of code yet. This part feels almost too easy. I can click on any element in the preview and it shows me the exact code that controls it. If I want to change something, I just click the Gemini Sparkle button on top and then click on Change UI option and describe what changes I want to make. This is what it looks like when AI is specifically designed for Android development. It's working very well. Super smooth. I asked it to add maps to my travel planner and pull the latest setup docs. It searched the web and official Android documentation for me. I didn't need to manually do that and get distracted in the browser. It is super helpful for my flow state. I haven't opened a browser or left Android Studio this entire time. Okay, I actually gotta go walk my dog real quick. This is Lucy. Lucy, say hi. We just got back from the walk and I went straight back to coding. The homepage is almost done. I'm pretty much ready to show it. And there it is, the homepage of my travel planner in native Android version, built in one setting without ever leaving the IDE. I'll be honest, I went into this thinking native development would feel intimidating, but it didn't. Gemini handled the parts I usually get stuck on, so I could focus on the app itself. Experience Gemini and Android Studio for yourself and see how much time you can save.